But before people could get to the hospital, they called 911. KENS 5's Andrew Moore went through almost 10 hours of those calls and shows us how much first responders were scrambling to get organized in those first few critical hours.
The response to 2029 is going to be for a water rescue.
3:35 a.m. The Guadalupe River is starting to rise, water rescue calls are coming in, and responders in Ingram are trying to get people away from the river.
Tone out Ingram and have them clear by the river RV park.
Meanwhile, local radio expert John Trollinger starts recording. He's also getting alerts from the Weather Service.
The National Weather Service said the river is flooding, it's a flash flood, it's coming, it's an emergency.
4:22 a.m. A firefighter asks the county for a code red, but they don't have a supervisor to approve it.
Is there any way we can send a code red out to our Hunt residents asking them to find higher ground or stay home?
We have to get that approved with our supervisor.
4:25. Water rescue teams are showing up, but no one higher up has told dispatch where to put them.
Yeah, do we have a staging point for the water rescue team?
10-4, we have not been notified by anyone yet, so if you have further information, let us know.
4:45. The flooding is now dragging people down the river.
We got an RV floating down the river with people in it right now.
Getting multiple reports over at the Roland address. People are being swept away.
We're running down the river following people in the water.
Later, at 5:30, another rescue team shows up and asks who's running command.
Dispatch from Utility 51. Can you advise who's running command?
Sir, we don't have the incident command right now.
Still, there did not seem to be any command center set up for the county. The dispatcher was able to give that team direction, and over the next few hours, KENS 5 heard responders regroup, set up their own staging areas, and work to pull people out of the water. Messages show an emergency operations center vehicle was at the City West Church by 10:30, and the county did have air support by at least 10 o'clock.
601, I have that GPS bird. He is picking people out of the river.
Andrew Moore, KENS 5.